Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make an easy one-pot chicken rice dish. This dish is very easy because it will be made in the rice cooker. The most time-consuming thing you'll do is to prep the ingredients. We love making this one-pot chicken rice in advance and enjoy throughout the week. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. You will need rice, shiitake mushrooms, Chinese sausage, chicken breast, green onion, ginger, Maggi sauce or soy sauce, and sesame oil. Let's cook. First, we'll start by dicing the shiitake mushrooms. Here we're using dry shiitake mushrooms that were soaked overnight. Next, you'll slice the ginger, dice the chicken sausage and chicken breast. You want to cut the chicken in small pieces to make sure that the chicken cooks along with the rice. In a bowl, we'll combine the Chinese sausage, soy sauce, salt, black pepper, mushroom, ginger, sesame oil, and chicken. We'll mix thoroughly for all the seasoning to get in the meat and mushrooms. We're including the exact measurements in the description below. In your rice cooker, add your washed rice and the water. And you're gonna top it with the meat mixture. Close the rice cooker lid and let the rice cooker do its magic. Once the rice cooker beeps, it will indicate that the dish is done. Open the rice cooker and add your finely diced green onion and mix thoroughly. The heat of the rice will partially cook the green onion. Now you know how to make this incredibly easy one-pot rice dish. This dish is so flavorful that it can be enjoyed as is, and it's perfect for meal prep. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!